Abinson Opportunity Screening Method is made by entrepreneur and founder of Abinson, Wilson Lim. The specific method primarily focuses on constantly studying and adapting to the change in various internal and external factors to screen business opportunities. Also, this method focuses on finding opportunities that are in line and attuned with the enterprise's purpose. In Abinson's case, their purpose as a business is to give a good life to their employees and customers alike. As you can see in this table, these were the criteria used by Abenson in screening business opportunities. For external factors, Abenson specifically focused on their target market and its size. The company further focused on how their product's viability related to its market. Next, they focus on their product's growth potential. They ask themselves if their product would continue to grow despite the threats that come throughout its duration. Lastly, they focus on the industry players, specifically their competition and how this specific competition would affect their product in the long run. As for internal factors, Abenson primarily considers their company's resources and abilities. They consider the knowledge of the enterprise and how it would affect their products. Also, they consider their employees' capability to continuously run the business. Lastly, they consider the enterprise's capability to expand their reach as a business. For Abenson, all these factors must be attuned to their purpose. If these business opportunities pass all the criteria that the company considers, then they will decide go and take it. But if they fail these criteria, they will say no go to the opportunity. This method works not only for Abenson but also for companies with differing natures. With proper guidance, a company of any background can apply this method to their enterprise.
Let's talk about the Blue Ocean strategy. So basically, in Blue Ocean strategy, you create and capture your own market space. You offer something really different, something that hasn't been offered by others before. In this way, competition would be irrelevant and your business will create its own demand. You can say that the Blue Ocean strategy is really different from the commonly known Red Ocean strategy. The Red Ocean strategy focuses on the market space that several companies already explored and compete in. It competes in existing market space, it aims to beat competition, and exploits existing demands. On the other hand, the Blue Ocean strategy focuses on the view that the market boundaries and industry structure are not a given and can be reconstructed by the actions and beliefs of industry players. It describes an uncontested market space for an unknown industry or innovation and creates and captures new demands while aiming to make competition irrelevant. For example, taxis have been around for a couple of years already, and they have their own different transportation companies. But people don't notice that because these taxis offer the same services. So when Uber came, it somehow made taxis irrelevant to its market because Uber paved the way to its own market space and created its own demands. By offering something in an uncontested market space, Uber became successful. Companies need to build their blue ocean strategy in the sequence of buyer utility, price, cost, and adoption. This sequence allows them to build a viable business model and ensure that their company profits from the blue ocean it is creating.
Four hurdles to strategy execution. First is remaining with the status quo. Second is limited available resources. Third is employee motivation. And fourth is the internal opposition.
The key factors for success state the important elements required for a company to compete in its target markets. It is also a capability, activity, or condition that is required for a mission to be successful. These factors aren't measurements of success but rather something that needs to be done well in order to achieve objectives. In effect, it articulates what a company must do and do well to achieve the goals outlined in its strategic plan. It also serves as a guide for operational improvements of the business. When formulating key factors for success, the industry firm competes in must be defined well. The business must also include similar products that can provide the same satisfaction to the customers. The company Waters Philippines' key factors for success are large and motivated sales force, availability, payment plans, and reward and recognition programs.